In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your Figma design in Webflow with Relume. We'll connect your Webflow project to the Relume site builder so you can move designs smoothly between Webflow, Relume, and Figma. Make sure you have a Webflow project open and a Relume account ready to sign in. This setup doesn't publish anything live, it simply gives you the tools to import and export design components more efficiently. Start inside your Webflow project in the designer. This is where you'll manage the connection and handle imports. Keep your project selected so the app knows exactly which site you're installing to. Next, open the Apps panel in Webflow. You'll typically find it in the left toolbar. If you don't see it, double check you're in the designer, not just the dashboard. The Apps panel is where you can browse integrations that extend Webflow's functionality. Use the search bar and type Relume. Spelling matters here. If nothing appears, clear the filter or try again. You should see the Relume Site Builder integration show up as a result. Select Relume Site Builder Import from the results. On the app page, review the description and permissions so you understand what the integration can access. Relume helps you import components, map styles, and streamline your workflow between platforms, which is especially helpful when translating Figma structure into build-ready Webflow elements. Click Install on Site to connect it to the active project. If you manage multiple sites, confirm you're installing to the correct one. Approve the requested permissions. Remember, installing the app won't change your live site automatically. You're simply enabling the import tools you'll use when you're ready. When prompted, sign into your Relume account. If your team uses single sign-on, follow that flow. Make sure you're logging into the correct workspace so your libraries and projects are available. If you're switching workspaces, refresh the Relume panel in Webflow after you log in so it syncs properly. Once connected, you can export and import designs between Webflow, Relume, and Figma. Open the Relume panel inside Webflow to start pulling in components or syncing structures. From Relume, you can export to Figma to align your design system, or bring Figma-inspired layouts into Webflow using Relume's mapped components. As you work, keep your class naming consistent, verify typography and color tokens, and preview responsive breakpoints so what you import matches your design intent. This workflow helps you keep design and build in sync, reducing rebuild time and handoff friction. That's it. Your tools are connected and ready. Congratulations and happy building.